Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to be learning how to run ChatGPT like AI agents and large language models like Llama 3, DeepSeek R1, Gemini in your local system. So there are two popular way exist nowadays to run these LLM models in your local computer. First is LM Studio. So LM Studio is a GUI based individual application where you can download these LLMs and run in your local system. And second is Llama, which is a command line interface based large language model runner, where you can also download and run this open source LLM in your command panel. So Llama does not have built-in GUI interface. So that is the difference between LM Studio and Llama. So in this video, we are going to be watching how to use these two tools to download LLMs and run those LLMs in our local system. First, we will be exploring LM Studio, which is a graphical user interface based LLM running software where you can download LLMs. So to start with LM Studio, you need to go to LM Studio website and download LM Studio for your specific operating system. I am using Windows. Okay, so I will be downloading LM Studio for Windows. So I have already downloaded it in my local system. So let's install it. So installation is pretty straightforward. Just click next on Windows. And for Linux, there will be a .app image file, so it does not need any installation in Linux. You can just right click and run it. Okay, in the meantime, so please download these two dependency, that is Python, okay, and one is Node.js. So try to install Node.js LTS version. So currently it is version 22. Okay, this is LTS version. And second thing is Python. Okay, so we also need Python as a dependency to run this software smoothly, and also LLMs. Okay, we will be seeing in future videos. Okay, so these two dependencies are needed to run this LLM like softwares and also these models in your local system. Okay, so it is installed. Let's run this. So let's click on get your fast LLM. So one advantage with LM Studio is it will automatically suggest which is best LLM for your machine specification. Okay, so currently it is suggesting a small model. Okay, so let's download it. Our Llama 3.2 1 billion parameter model is downloaded, and let's start chatting with it. So this is the chat interface. Okay, we can change the theme by go to settings, and this is the color theme, classic, light. So let's move to light, and this is the chat. So first let's type who are you. Okay, so far, okay, no model selected, so we need to select one model. So we have already downloaded it. Okay, so Llama 3.2 1 billion parameter Q8, so it is quantized 8. Okay, so let's click on it. So it is loading. Okay, and let's run this, send. So it is generating response. Okay, and it is pretty much fast because we are using a small model. Okay, let's check the RAM use. So this is the RAM currently we are using. Okay, 7.6 gigs, and the CPU I am using is Ryzen 5600G, which has integrated graphics. Okay, I do not have any dedicated graphics like NVIDIA or AMD. So I will suggest you to use any LLM model below 8 billion parameter. Just don't go above it if you do not have any dedicated NVIDIA graphics card. Okay, so if you do not have any kind of dedicated graphics card, so I will suggest you to use 8 billion parameter model. Do not go beyond that. Okay, so if you have a low configuration laptop with a i3 or i5 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, so I will suggest you do not go beyond 3 billion parameter, because larger model will consume large amount of RAM. Okay, and beyond 8 billion parameter you need some VRAM, that will be like dedicated graphics memory which is can be NVIDIA or AMD. Okay, because I do not have any kind of dedicated graphics card, so I will be staying below 8 billion parameter, and this is the graphics memory. So currently it is using 1 gigabyte of memory. So let's ask another question, what is RAG? Okay, and then we will be checking this CPU usage and memory usage. So I have so the RAM I am using is 16 GB, 4 GB is allocated to the integrated graphics card, so usable is only 12 GB. So that's why it is showing 11.9. And we will also see that if LM Studio can utilize this integrated graphics card or not. Okay, so let's ask this thing, what is RAG? So it is generating response. Okay, if you go to task manager, you can see this is the CPU usage, and this is the memory. 7.6 GB is used out of 12 GB, okay, because it's a very small LLM model. Okay, so it is generated its response and it is pretty much fast. Next we will be installing a separate model. Let's install a 8 billion parameter model, and we can discover other models also. You can directly download any model which is available in Hugging Face repository and download and run it in your local system. Okay, Llama 3, so 70B model is there. You can see here like it is too large for this machine, so LM Studio will automatically suggest you which model is like good for your computer. Okay, there are also DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama 8 billion parameter, so it is, let's open it. So we have this Q4 KM model, okay, that is quantize 4, and quantize 8 is too large for this machine. So let's download this thing, okay, DeepSeek R1. So let's download this DeepSeek R1. Okay, so to download it, just click on download. It's a 4.92 GB LLM model. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay, in the meantime we can also see some of this feature. So this is the chat interface. You can also create another chat also in here. This will be your chat history. Okay, this is the developer setting. Okay, so these are the APIs that is available to interact with LM Studio. So you can get all the models, completion, okay, embedding. Okay, the next we have this my model directory. So in my models you can find all of your downloaded LLM models. So this is 1 billion parameter. Okay, so open in file explorer. Okay, so this is the model. So as you can see, this is the model. Okay, you can back up this file somewhere else also. Okay, you can also open this model in Hugging Face. Okay, so this is the Hugging Face repository. So this is a Llama 3.2 1 billion instruct Q8. Because it's a Q8 model is much more accurate than a Q4 model. We will be also watching this, what is this quantization mean in future videos. So download is completed. Okay, so let's load this model. Just click load. Okay, so it's loading. You can see here. Okay, and let's see the RAM use. Okay, so this is the RAM use. Okay, as you can see, our RAM consumption is spike up. Previously we are using 7.9 and now we are using 10.4. Our GPU memory is same. Okay, it is used by the application, not by the model. Okay, we will see that if it is can utilize this GPU memory also. Okay, so this is our DeepSeek R1. Let's ask some question. Let's ask this question. So it is thinking. Okay, so this is the RAM use and this is the processor. Okay, so it's thinking. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, it is capital of France is Paris. Okay, so if you can see, and it takes around 51 second. It has some thinking capabilities. Okay, so we can also, so if you have a dedicated graphics card, we can also like transfer some load to GPU memory. Okay, so if you have a dedicated graphics card, we can also offload some of this calculation or predicting work to the GPU memory. We can offload this some of this calculation to the graphics memory also, because I have an integrated GPU with my Ryzen 5600G. Let's see if it can use that GPU memory also. Okay, so to optimize it, we can go to this setting and tweak this parameter, that is GPU offload. So if you have a 4 GB or 8 GB dedicated graphics memory, you can tweak this parameter to up to 15. Okay, so let's keep it up to 15 and we can toggle this parameter, that is flash attention, which will decrease our memory and this token generation time. Okay, so let's reload and apply changes. Okay, okay, so let's go to task manager. So this is CPU, this is our memory, and this is our graphics memory that is dedicated. So here you can see we are using that integrated GPU memory. So previously it was 1.2, now it's 3.3. okay, so let's ask some question. Okay, so what is the capital of let's say Canada? So our response generation time is significantly decreases. Previously it was taking 50 seconds and now it is taking 25 seconds. So LM Studio also comes with a RAG feature. So RAG is retrieval augmentation generation. So in simple word, what when we ask any question to any LLM, so the query is hit to the LLM model, and a response is generated. When we ask any question, so first it will go to the external knowledge or knowledge base or external data storage, that can be PDF documents or text based documents, and find the answer, okay, inside it, and then it generate a response from that LLM model. Okay, so let's try this. So I will ask a question about me and my work experience. Obviously it will not generate it, so let's ask it. Obviously it does not know about me, so it will not generate any correct information. Okay, so it process for 1 minute 8 second, and it is generating some responses. Obviously it is like predicting some fields where I can work, but it does not have any, because it does not have any existing knowledge, so that's why it is not like generating any kind of useful response. Okay, so now I will upload my CV and let's ask the same question, and let's see if it can answer depending on my CV knowledge. Okay, so maximum 5 files we can upload it, and the combined size should be 30 MB. Okay, so let's upload a file. So I have uploaded my file. Okay, so I have uploaded my CV, and let's ask that same question. Okay, tell me about my experience. So I will be asking the same question. Okay, but in this time I am uploaded my CV. Okay, so now it is checking this document, and after that it will use that LLM model to generate some response. Okay, so let's see what it can tell. So you can see that our memory usage is significantly decreases after we offload some of this calculation to our GPU memory. So you can see this is our GPU memory, 3.3 gigabyte is using, and DeepSeek R1 has some thinking capabilities, so that's why it is pretty much slow. We will be also seeing Llama 3 8 billion parameter and see like how it performs. Okay, so it takes 1 minute 45 second to analyze this document. Okay, and now it's predicting something. So it is saying something like I am a senior software developer engineer based on Kolkata, and this is my knowledge, and this is my current role. Okay, so it is working. Okay, so after 1 minute 45 seconds, so it is generating some response. So it is generating the response depending on my CV also. So as you can see, I am a senior software development engineer based on Kolkata, and I have 4 years of experience, and this is my technical skill. Okay, and this is my current company, this is the previous experience. Okay, so it is working. So it is getting information from the uploaded CV, so uploaded knowledge, to generate a response. So how we can use this in our day-to-day life? So let's say if you are doing any kind of research on some topics, you can upload multiple documents, okay, inside this LLM, and then ask some question regarding that topic, and it will like extract all the information from that uploaded documents, and generate response from that uploaded documents. Okay, so before ending this video, we will be like exploring one model, that will be Llama 3.2 8 billion parameter, and let's see how it will perform. Okay, so to download this Meta Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter. Okay, so let's use this. So we have downloaded Llama 3.1 8 billion parameter model. So let's load that model. Okay, our dedicated GPU memory usage is like 1.2 gigs. So this is for the application, and this is our memory usage. Okay, so we will be offloading some of our workload to this dedicated GPU memory. Okay, so let's go to settings. So this is GPU offload. Okay, 15 to 16. Okay, flash attention. So this is the context length. So the unit is token. So token is like how many characters it can generate or it can support in one session. So this is like one session. Okay, so this is the total tokens we are generating. So the maximum number of tokens it can support in one session is 4096. Okay, you can also increase it. Okay, so let's increase it to So we can also increase it, but if we increase it, okay, it will significantly impact our memory usage. So if you have large amount of RAM, okay, like 64 gigs or 96 gig, then you can support my like large amount of tokens in one session. Okay, so we can tweak this little bit. Okay, flash attention is on. Let's reload. Okay, let's reload. So let's see, our memory usage is this, and this is our GPU memory usage. Okay, so let's ask a question like, so what is capital of India? Okay, send. Let's see how long. So as you can see, it is little bit faster, and let's test its RAG capability. Okay, so because it does not have any information regarding me, so it will not generate anything. Okay, so let's stop it. Okay, so I have uploaded my CV, and let's ask the same question. So it has completed processing my document. So now it is generating response from this existing knowledge. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video, we will be exploring Ollama and its capabilities also, and we will be also installing a GUI based chat application to interact with Ollama with a graphical user interface, because Ollama does not have any kind of graphical user interface built in. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it, and if you want to see more of these videos, do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I will be uploading more AI and LLM videos in future also. See you next time.